Hey guys, thanks for checking into another episode of Jack's Mechanics. Just a quick short one today, hopefully. Fuel filter replacement job on this Skoda Octavia. It's the same on other Skoda, Volkswagen models. It's located under the back right hand side of the car, and yeah, we'll switch the camera around so we can show you how to do this one-handed again. So there it is. You got 3 connections on it, 1 on that side, 2 on that side, and here we have the new filter and the oil drainer underneath to catch the fuel. So be smart about this, and you should wear safety protection, but I'm not that smart, so there we go. We'll try and just show you. You got to push the speed connector in, push the blue part in, and pull back. You do that for the same one on this black one. Push in, and pull back. Oh, that's a bit tighter. More of a two-handed job. Same with this one on the back there. You got to push down though, and then you can pull the fuel filter out, and then install the new fuel filter, and then just literally push the lines on, and you'll be good to go. Okay, now we've got that one out. We can literally pop this one in and snap the connectors on. I'll show you how to do that. So now it's installed. You've got your little locator tag up there in the filter housing, and then literally make sure it's nice and straight. Pop it on, one at the back. Pop it on. Easy as that. Enjoy, guys. If you would like to see more content like this, consider subscribing. Thank you.